But you should do train more too. You would like it.
Yeah.
It does what trains like these. And it teaches you how to operate the train.
Yeah.
I know how to ring the bell, I know how to turn off the throttle, all of that.
Yeah.
Even turn on the engine.
Huh.
It's like similar to the real thing you see now. Like you could couple the train, wait for the lights like they do. You know, you say, oh, time to go, so you turn off the throttle. I remember this one guy, when I was patrolling him, he was like, this is Q130 proceeding to leave Cumberland Yard to Nightmare. And then the truck was like, are you okay, Chief?